Today, I'm going to cut this portable speaker in half with my chainsaw. Remember, don't try this at home, and safety first. So it dulled the chain up pretty good, and I was having a hard time getting through. So we're gonna see if the axe can finish her off here. Okay, wow, that was fun. So we have our little damage report here on this Bluetooth portable speaker, and the chainsaw didn't want to get all the way through it. Although we finished it off with the axe. So let's take a look. This thing really took a beating. Oh yeah. Check out the TikTok. Let's take a look. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Oh yeah, the cover. Look at all that. That is all melted plastic. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean that out for sure. But it doesn't look like there's really any damage to the chain. You know, the chain looks okay, but it clearly didn't want to cut, and it's pretty dull, so I'm gonna have to touch that up for sure.